Dear viewers, in this video we are going to see how to create a video using Microsoft Office PowerPoint. This video will be helpful for teachers for creating video lectures in this pandemic situation. Before going into the video, subscribe e-learning at ease for more videos. For the purpose of this tutorial, I am going to use a already created PowerPoint presentation with 3 slides. You can see the number of slides here. So this video recording can be done only in Microsoft Office 2016 versions and later versions, not in the previous versions. For recording video and recording your PowerPoint presentation, you need to go to the slideshow tab. Here you can see the record slideshow option. So if you click that, 2 options will come: start recording from the beginning, start recording from the current slide. So first you click start recording from the beginning. Here in this dialog box you can choose what you want to record. The first option is you can record the slide and animation timings. Here in the second option you can record narration, ink and laser pointers. Some annotation options are also there. You can also record the timings of the annotations. Narration refers to the voiceover. To record the voiceover, your explanation, your lecture, you need to install a microphone into your PC. In laptops you can have your inbuilt microphone, but in PC you need to connect your external microphones. Now you will see the options inside the recording window. You need to click start recording. Here you can see at the top left corner the recording toolbar will come. This recording toolbar will not be recorded. So first we will see the options. Now the recording is going on. You can see the timing here. The first option you need to, if you click this will go to your next slide and next animation. Okay, so the second option is you can pause the recording. If you click the second option, you can pause the recording. You can see now the recording is being paused. Okay, if you click if you click resume recording, the recording will start again. This is the timing of this particular slide. This is the timing of the whole presentation. Okay, so if you are not satisfied, if you have done any mistake in this slide, if you click this option, okay, you can start recording this particular slide from the beginning. Okay, you can record again for this particular slide. So another options are there at the bottom. Okay, if you click this or arrow at the bottom, you can go to the previous animation or previous slide. Okay, if you click this option, you can go to the next slide and next animation. Okay, and then you will have annotation tools. You have laser pointers. Okay, you can use laser pointers for pointing out to explain your concepts. You can also have pen. Okay, you can write to explain. Okay, you can also have highlighter to highlight any particular area or particular words. You can have highlighters. You can also use erasers for erasing a particular annotation. Okay, you can erase your annotations using eraser option. If you click them again, the eraser will turn off. So the next option is if you want to jump to some other slides in your slideshow, if you click that option and you can go to the next slide. In this way you can use the various tools in the recording section. If you want to stop recording, you need to click this close button. Okay, you can stop this by clicking this, or you can also use your escape button in the keyboard. Till now we saw the various options and tools that can be used while recording. Now I will do a model recording for you. For recording, as I already told you, you need to go to the slideshow tab and you need to click record slideshow. In this, if you want to start from the first slide, you need to click start recording from the beginning. I told you about these 2 options. Click start recording. Now whatever I am speaking is being recorded. We can turn on the annotation option. Okay, I will turn on the laser pointer. Now the movement of this laser pointer is also being recorded. Now we will do a trial recording. Welcome to the online class for research methodology. In this class, we will see the meaning and definition of research. First, we will see the meaning of research. So, research refers to the process of gaining knowledge about a particular phenomenon or to giving solution for a particular issue or problem. Now, we will see the definition of Clifford Woody. So, we will end the recording here. If you want to end the recording, at the top left, you need to close this recording dialog box. If you click that, you can stop the recording. Otherwise, you can also use the escape key of your keyboard to stop the recording. Okay, so now if you want to see your recording, preview your recording, you can click here. You can do a slideshow. If you click from beginning, come to the online class for research methodology. In this class, we will see the meaning and definition of research. First, the movement of laser pointer is also being recorded. So, research refers to the process of gaining knowledge about a particular phenomenon or to giving solution for a particular issue or problem. Okay, you can see. In this way, you can preview your recording. See the definition of Clifford Woody. Suppose if you want to change a recording for a particular slide, you need to click that particular slide. Now I am clicking the third slide here, and then you can go to the record slideshow option, and then you can click start recording from the current slide. From that particular slide, you can change the recording for that particular slide. Click start recording. Now we can see the definition of research. According to Clifford Woody, research comprises various components. So if you click escape button, this will come out of it. So you can also do this. The main advantage in PowerPoint presentation is you can do recording for each and every slide. So it will be easier for you. You need not speak at a stretch. You need not record at a stretch for all the slides. You can do recording for single slide at a time. So if you want to clear recording, you can go to the clear option here. You can clear the record timings of the current slide. You can clear the record timings of the whole slides, whole presentation by clicking this. You can clear the narration. Okay, the speaking voiceover. You can clear for current slide. You can clear for all slide. Okay, by this option you can do that. So now I will show how to create a video. We recorded, now it is in the form of PowerPoint presentation. We need to convert this into a video. For that you need to go to the file option. Here you need to go to export option. Here you will be having a option called create a video. You need to click this. Here this you need to select the quality you want. This is the HD quality, presentation quality. You need to select that. Okay, what you want to record, that thing you need to select. You need to select the second option. If you click create video, this dialog box will come. You need to type the name. You need to select the place where you want to store. You can create video in two formats. Okay, Windows Media format and MPEG-4 format. So MPEG-4 is a universal format. Now you can create that in that format. If you click save, the process of video creation will be shown at the bottom status bar here. By this way, the academicians can prepare video lectures. They can present research papers in online conferences. As the COVID-19 pandemic situation prevails, this video will be helpful for them to use PowerPoint presentation for creating videos. You can see here at the bottom the processing of the video creation is being done. You can see the status here. I will show the video after completion of this process. Another important thing that you need to remember is you need to save this before proceed to exporting video. So suppose if there is any problem in your PC, you may have lost your recordings. So it is important and safe to save your presentation before going to export. So now you can see the status, the video is being created. You can see here in the desktop, this is the video. You can see I'm playing this video. Start recording. Now whatever I'm speaking is being recorded. We can turn on the annotation option. So I will turn on the laser pointer. Now the movement of this laser pointer is also being recorded. Now we will do a trial recording. Welcome to the online class for research methodology. In this class, we will see the meaning and definition of research. First, we will see the meaning of research. So, we will also see in my YouTube channel, I have created a lot of videos using this option. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for your patient listening. If you are happy with the video, give a like. You can ask your doubts through the comment section. Share this video with your friends and subscribe e-learning at ease for more videos.